Eat well, my children. The day is long. We will, Ammi. The flatbread is perfect today. Thank you. We must get our bags now. You have to come now. He's so weak. The door is open. Come in from the rain. I'll get my things.
His fever is breaking, and his pulse is strong. He just needs rest and plenty of fluids, and he'll be fine in a day or two.
Shh, don't worry. He's gonna be just fine. Now go on. Back to bed. Here you go, Beta. You're doing so well.
Remember, true wealth is not in the harvest, but in the bonds we share as neighbors. That is very true, Amma.